Steve Wilbur, Managing Director at Allen Capital Group.
And I'm Travis Portwood, Chief Investment Officer with Allen Capital Group.
Travis, over the years, we've seen money flows from the traditional mutual fund over to exchange-traded funds, also known as ETFs. Why has that been happening?
I think there's various reasons for that movement of money. Two of the primary reasons is one, the rise of index investing. Indexes have done well over the past several years, and ETFs have become synonymous with indexes. And two is just cost. ETFs are also synonymous with low cost. So low cost and index investing have just attracted capital.
So then let's talk about the difference between the two. What are the differences?
Well, the difference between an ETF and a mutual fund, we could talk about that all day, right? But two of the primary ones to be aware of is one, the tax efficiency of an ETF. The way money flows into an ETF and is taken out is just more tax efficient for the client than it is in a mutual fund. And two, just the tradability and perceived liquidity of an ETF. The ETF trades all day like an individual stock does, whereas a mutual fund just trades once per day. It just prints a price at the end of the day, and that's what you get.
So is an ETF a passively managed investment or active or both?
I think it's a common misconception that the ETF is just passive. Over the years, we've seen more active strategies rolled out under the ETF wrapper, primarily in fixed income initially, but now over the years we've seen also equity strategies, active equity strategies rolled out under ETFs as well.
So should we just all invest in ETFs since there is active and passive, or what would you say to that?
I mean, I can see the temptation to do that, but I wouldn't pigeonhole yourself into just one type of investment. I think depending on the asset class you're trying to get into, or depending on the particular investment you're trying to make, you could use ETFs, you could use mutual funds, you could even invest in individual stocks and individual bonds. I mean, at Allen Capital, we use all of those to invest for our clients. It just depends on the client's situation and what we're trying to achieve for them. We want to have the toolbox available to our advisors to use any of them.
Travis, this has been fun. I look forward to talking to you next week.
I enjoyed it, as always, Steve.
If you'd like to learn more about this topic or any other topic, our contact information is below. We look forward to hearing from you.